Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 159. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 9. 2 here, so 7, 9, and no help here, 2, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so 3, 4, 3, 4, and that means that our 2 has to be here. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 8. 8 here, so 3, 7, and no help here, 3, 7, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 4, 7, 8, and 9. We've got the 8 here, so 4, 7, 9. 9 here, so 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, and 9 here, so this is our 8. That 8 makes this our 7. The 7 and 8 makes this our 4, so this is our 9. That 7 makes this our 3, 8. That 7 makes this our 9, 2, 7. For this column now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this column, we're missing 5 and 6. I don't see any help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so 6, 7, 6, 7. And that means the only place our 2 can be for that row is here. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 here and a 7 here, so this is our 9. That 7 makes this our 4, 7. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this row now, we're missing a 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here and a 9 here, so this is our 1. 9 here, so 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this column, we're missing 4 and 6. I don't see any help, so 4, 6, 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 2 here, so 9, 2. For this top row now, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 6, 4 here, so 5, 6. And now if we look, the only place the 4 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 6, and no help here. 3, 6, 8. I did just notice this 7 makes this our 6, 7. So that 6 makes this our 3, 8. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. That 4 makes this our 6, 4. That 6 makes this our 5, 6, 5. And to finish out this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.